Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. I just got off the phone with a dealer that I had been talking to for the last 2 weeks about some sales training. He told me that pre-COVID, they were selling around 140 to 160 cars a month. That obviously during COVID, everything dropped. They have not been able to re-jumpstart what's going on. They are now averaging between 60 to 80 cars a month, and their grosses are way below average. The other day, he told me that he was in. He wanted to train, but he just wanted to talk to his managers. Guess what his managers told him? His managers told him he can't do it. They don't want any training. They're happy with the way they're doing it, and they think they can get it better on their own. They haven't done it in the last couple of years. Think about this. The managers are telling the dealer he cannot grow his business. Who's in control? And we wonder why we're not selling more cars and making more gross. Good luck, everyone.